Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm tackling a new project in my backyard. I have a corner where grass would not grow because my neighbor's tree used to shade it. Now that the tree is gone, this area gets a lot of sunlight. Unfortunately, my dogs play here and track mud into the house, which is not fun to clean up. To fix this, I am building an L-shaped garden bed. This will add some greenery and help keep the mud under control, though my dogs will not love this. I will take you through the planning and building process, and the best part is you can build this garden bed with just one power tool or even no power tools at all. Stick around to see the transformation. Maybe this will give you some ideas on how you can build your own garden bed. For this build, I'll be using 3 planter blocks for each corner, securing them with 2-foot rebar hammered into the ground and then connecting the blocks with 2x8s. The corner where I'm building the garden bed is not flat. Instead of leveling the entire area, I'm focusing on flattening and leveling the spots where I'll place the planter blocks. To do this, I'm using paver sand and gravel pressed down with a cast iron tamper to create a stable base. This ensures the planter blocks are securely set for a sturdy garden bed. I used a level to make sure both corners are perfectly aligned with each other. Once done with the first 2 corners, I repeated this process for all other corners. To join the planter blocks, I used 2x8s. I measured the distance between the 2 corners and cut the boards to length with a circular saw. Alternatively, you can have these boards cut to size at the store where you purchase them. After a test fit, I applied 1 coat of outdoor wood sealer to the boards. I did not bother sanding them, I just applied the finish directly to provide some protection for the wood. Once the finish is dried, I began assembling the garden bed. I joined the planter blocks with the wood, ensuring a secure fit. I added a 3rd planter block for extra stability and support, and also for looks as I don't want exposed wood corners. For added durability, I staple landscape fabric to the inside of the wood. To enhance the looks, I spread marble rocks around the outside of the bed, giving it a polished and decorative appearance. For the garden bed soil, I got help from my lawn care guy. He was fixing some things in my backyard, and when he saw the garden bed, he offered to fill it with soil for $70. It was a great deal that saved me money, time and effort. Finally, I completed the project by planting a mix of flowers and vegetable plants. And I added LED lights with a fire effect into the planter blocks, and they look cool in the night. If you enjoyed the video, please support my channel by subscribing, liking and leaving a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.